Need to replace the lid handle on your Traeger Pro Series 34? Today we're swapping it for a brand new one. Traeger's parts list calls it the grill door handle. Same part. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. It's the easiest job in the series, about 10 minutes with a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get into it. Step 1. Find the screws. But first, cold grill and have a helper steady the door so it doesn't swing while you work. Then, we can work. The handle mounts with one screw at each end, driven through the door into the handle, with a spacer behind each end holding the grip off the steel. Step 2. Swap the handle, back out both screws, and lift the old handle away. Keep the spacers in order as it comes off. Now set the new handle in place with the spacers exactly where the old one sat, and start both screws by hand. Step 3. Snug it down. Drive both screws home, with even pressure at each end. Then give the handle a firm shake, solid, no wiggle, no rattle, and check it again after the first hot cook. Steel expands, and screws settle. Now let's make sure it's working. Grab the handle and open the door through its full swing. The grip stays put under load. Both spacers sit square against the door, and there's clear air between your knuckles and the steel. Pass all three, and this repair is finished. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.